Just yesterday morning, they didn't know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans they put an end to. I walked out this morning and I wrote down the song. Just scan for them, who to send it to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times and I could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see you again. Look down on me, Jesus. You gotta help me to make a stand. You just gotta see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand. I won't make it any other way. Oh, I've got seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times and I could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see you again. I've been walking on mine to an easy time. My back turned towards the sun. Lord knows the cold wind blows like to turn your head around. Hours of time on the telephone line, just talking about things to come. Sweet dreams and flying machines in pieces on the ground. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days and I thought they'd never end. I've seen lonely times but I could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see you somehow one more time again. Thought I'd see you one more time again now. And just a few things coming my way this time around. Thought I'd see you fire and rain. Thought I'd see you just one more time, Suzanne. La, 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 la.
Machine gun killer!